Hi, my name is Arturo Sosa. I'm 39 years old and I had an accident. Air compressor exploded on me, and this is my story. I was in my house, I was fixing the air compressor, and as soon as I opened the gas tank, the gas burst on me, so it made an explosion, and then it burst on my arm, my side, and a little bit of part of my arm and my face. My neighbor heard the explosion, and he came to me and helped me out. He told me that the best place to come, it was on DHR over here in Edinburgh.
I was the trauma surgeon on call the day he came to our hospital, has a severe burn.
Dr. Shine had been taking care of him. He had some pretty significant burns, about 30% of his body, and he had some pretty significant inhalation injuries. So he really wasn't ready to go to the operating room for about that 1 week period, getting resuscitated and stabilized. He went to the operating room about probably 7 or 8 times total, but ultimately he did very well. We were able to close his wounds with skin grafts, and he's healed up pretty good.
It was thanks to the comprehensive team that we're developing to treat just this very type of patient that we were able to not only take care of him, get an awesome outcome, see him go home to his family, and then be able to care for these high-level patients that previously could not be done here in the Valley.
There was no better place to be than in DHR.
If you or a loved one experienced a traumatic injury or in a traumatic accident, here at DHR's Level 1 Trauma Center, we are here for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with a complex team of specialists to take care of your needs. DHR Health, for you, for life.